Hi, chef.
Okay.
Hey guys, it's the weekend and my chef is going into action. He's going to be preparing some chicken today. And yeah, this is how my weekend goes most of the time. And I feel, yeah, let me share with you guys. So today, the chef will be making some oven baked chicken with some pilau rice. We're going to have that for lunch. So let's watch him do his thing and happy viewing. And yes, happy eating to me. Okay, guys, enjoy. We can talk. I'm going to type music and do a voiceover. Your name. Miracles happen.
That is not TikTok.
Really?
Just to avoid the dryness we got last time.
And I think you do it on the foil. Hmm? Huh?
Don't know what it means.
Kai. Kai. We did not monitor it.
That's some heavy stuff. Okay.
Ooh, nice.
So
Ooh. It's good that you put the leg part inside first. Because this other side has more meat.
This circulates all through. And then we give it 250.
Hi, chef.
Okay. Good chef.
Okay. Smoke.
But a bit burnt.
Oh, wow. Whoa. Next time again, we'll remove the
No,
wings.
no. It didn't settle on the back. So this was on the top. That's why.
Oh, yeah. Wow. So how did it do? I think it did perfectly, like fine. This tasted yummy, like amazing. What if I told you I've never actually used the oven in this house before? Ever since we moved in, he's been the one doing this or that, baking stuff. And yeah, and I've been the one eating. Anyways, it's time for us to go eat now. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.